If you're 19 and want to make $20,000 a month, forget the flashy cars, fake gurus, and crypto lottery tickets. The truth? You need a game plan, not just motivation. When I was 19, I wasn't dreaming about Lambos. I was focused on one goal: freedom. I didn't want to ask anyone for money, beg for job offers, or wait for experience. I wanted to build something real, and it all started with one decision. I stopped chasing fast money and started building real skills. Fast forward to now, I'm making over $20K a month, and I'm going to walk you through the exact roadmap I would follow if I had to start all over again. This is how you make $20K a month at 19. Let's go. Step 1. Understand that this is a skill game, not a hustle game. Everyone wants the secret side hustle, but here's the truth. $500 a week side hustles will never scale to $20K a month. You need to shift from hustling to mastering. Because at $20K a month, you're not just making money, you're solving valuable problems for people who can afford to pay. And there are only 3 ways to do that. 1. Sell your time, freelance. 2. Sell a result, services. 3. Sell a system, agency, or product. Spoiler, if you want real money, you need to move toward number 3 over time, but you can start with number 1 today. Step 2. Pick the right vehicle. To make $20K a month, you need leverage. That means choosing a path where your work can multiply. Here are the 3 best options. Option 1. In-demand digital services. This includes things like short-form video editing, UGC content creation, ad creatives for brands, copywriting for sales funnels, social media management. These are skills that businesses need to grow, so they're willing to pay high retainers for them. You don't need a degree, just results. Option 2. Specialized high-ticket freelancing. This means offering one result that's worth a lot. Examples: running TikTok ads for local clinics, building funnels that convert for coaches, designing YouTube thumbnails for channels with 500K+ subs. These clients don't care about hours, they care about outcomes. Option 3. Digital product plus content hybrid. This is for those who love creating and teaching. Start by building an audience on TikTok, YouTube, or X. Then sell a $47 to $197 product like a Notion template, a course on cold email, a fitness program, a toolkit for freelancers. Combine that with affiliate income and brand deals and it stacks up fast, but it takes time to build trust. Don't start here, grow into it. Step 3. Build the $20,000 a month machine in 3 phases. Let me break this down like a ladder. You don't jump to the top, you climb it. Phase 1. $1,000 a month. Learn and earn. Pick one service. 1. Learn it deeply for 7 to 14 days. Watch free content. Build samples. Do free work if you need to. Then pitch yourself. DM local businesses. Cold email founders. Join Discord servers. Don't ask for favors. Solve real problems. You're not trying to be the best yet. You're trying to get in the game. Phase 2. $5,000 to $10,000 a month. Productize and position. Now that you've proven yourself, it's time to package your offer. Stop charging hourly. Create a clear offer like, I'll edit 30 short-form videos per month that get you more clients, $2,000 per month flat. Simple, clear, results-driven. Once your offer is dialed in, use proof to build momentum. Testimonials, before-afters, screenshots, case studies. Now, clients start coming to you. Phase 3, 20-month. Systemize and scale. Here's where you remove yourself from the work. You train a team. You delegate, editing, outreach, or customer service. You focus on sales, strategy, and improving your offer. You're no longer a freelancer, you're building an asset. This is where $20,000 a month isn't a fluke, it's your new floor. Bonus, the invisible skill that makes it all work. Making $20,000 a month isn't just about skill or hustle, it's about execution. Most 19-year-olds get distracted. They chase new shiny things. They quit too early. They never get momentum. You have to become ruthlessly consistent. 90 days of daily outreach. 90 days of daily learning. 90 days of daily improvement. If you stack tiny wins daily, it's inevitable. What to do with $20,000 a month once you make it? The last thing I'll say is this. If you hit $20,000 a month, don't blow it. Use the 30-30-30-10 rule. 30%. Reinvest into your business. ads, tools, team. 30%, save, invest, index funds, high interest savings. 30%, pay yourself, enjoy life, but don't go crazy. 10%, give or donate, keeps you grounded. Money is a tool. Learn how to use it, and it'll never control you.